from the very day one, we have tried to talk sense with the Taliban, to let them know what the people of Afghanistan wants, to let them know that capturing the power is easy, but containing and holding on to it is not, and to make reason with them that what Afghanistan needs is to establish a united, strong, and decentralized government, to have Afghanistan terrorism-free, to have a forward-facing country, and also to establish a legitimate, accountable government. But unfortunately, despite all efforts, all they have been trying to say in our negotiations with them was surrender.